it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Hey, yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move! And today we are again with Vybz Kartel. Yes, Vybz Kartel drop him album and we are with it. Yes, we are react to it. Yes. The one name, God is the greatest. Yes, God is the greatest. So we see the G found out of prison and take up him God. You see me? And take him God serious and also. I can see what the G has said in God is the greatest, man. Let's go. Let's go.
God is the greatest. No matter where you're going to, count your blessings, yeah. Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a whole a vibe. With red boom, TJ and moon in my bona fide. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Yo! Pull up! Let's go! God is the greatest.
A church in here going on.
No matter where you're going to.
A church in here going on.
Count your blessings, yeah.
A church in here going on. Watch out.
Today is a new day.
Yeah.
Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me.
No.
Me a whole a vibe. With red boom, TJ and moon in my bona fide. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love.
Yeah. Remember, me keep on coming and me keep on telling us that tomorrow is not promised. So cherish what you have today. Cherish your family, cherish your friend them. And do what? Praises to the Almighty.
God is the
Again.
greatest. No matter where
Again.
you're going to, count your blessings, yeah.
Ready again.
Well, today is a new day.
Yeah.
Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified.
Wait.
Nah, make them stress me. Me a whole a vibe. With red boom, TJ and moon in my bona fide.
Yeah.
And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me.
We don't care who like we. We are showing same way.
Far me I come from. But a journey. Good thing God got me.
Yeah, I'm telling you this, dog. I want thing with Addy. I want thing with the DJ. He might always find a song for every fucking moment. I swear to God. The man have a song for every moment they can think of. Any situation, he have a song for it. That's why he's the greatest. That's why he's the greatest. One of them, man. The king of dancehall, man. What want to say? Ready?
Well, today is a new day.
Yeah.
Give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me.
No.
Me a whole a vibe. With red boom, TJ and moon in my bona fide. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go and show love.
What one?
Far me I come from, but a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel.
Satan
Far
fail.
me I come from.
Satan go one side.
You
You fail.
believing.
You're not shame.
So see it
Again.
and feel. Oh, life is so rough sometimes. Heaven hear me cry. I feel do something with my life.
The boss get a second chance of life. He might cherish it. He might cherish it.
Blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go show love.
Big up the people them
God is around
when I have to learn from them mistakes.
Blessings surround us.
Big up the people them where we can see other people make the mistake and say them not make it too. Big up on yourself, man.
Oh, far me I come from, but a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel. Far me I come from.
Far.
Life has meaning. Get the youth keep on believing. Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to the Lord. All praises to the Lord to see if I'm sanctified. Nah, make them stress me.
No.
Me a wall of vibe. With red boom teacher, I'm
moaning me bonafide.
and the Lord is around us. Blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings surround us. Me not care who like me. Me just a go show love.
Say, you got the people them who give thanks for another day. You got the people them who cherish what them have. You have some people have the world and still want more and still greedy and still a bad mind people who don't have nothing. You see me? Yes, but once you're happy in yourself, happy in your heart, big up yourself. Did you get a second chance in life and he's happy, him good. You see me? Yes. So the boss are making no. The Lord is around us, he's safe and sanctified. Yes, sir. Like Mr. Kartel have a song for every situation. This is one of them. Yes, man. That one I can play front of a Christian mother and a Christian grandmother. For true. Them when I like it and say, I wish Christian sing on this. Yeah, then say Vybz Kartel. Oh, that the Kartel, eh? A Kartel this? No, man, I don't Kartel. A Kartel. But anyway, let me know what you guys think about this one, though. I love it. I'll catch you guys down here in the comment section. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.